learning programming through books. That's what we're talking about today. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Festus. I make videos that help you navigate the tech industry. I'll help you if you're still starting out learning tech or still in the university trying to get that computer science degree or computer engineering. And today we're talking about learning programming using books. Is this something good or something bad? So many people have a lot of misconceptions about this. Many people have their own reservations about this, which is not really something bad because, we are supposed to be opinionated on issues like this. We're supposed to have our own personal reserves about this. So my own take on this is what I'm about to share with you in this video. But before that, I'm going to show you a couple of books that I've picked out as the best in the industry when you want to, if you're thinking of getting a book that is programming related. So these are the couple of books that I think are the best in this particular field. So Java, C#, Python, JavaScript, and HTML, CSS. So these are the particular ones that I chose to add since these are the most learned programming languages, especially for beginners. So my take on learning programming using books is that you shouldn't base off your learning just on books, simply because programming is not one of those things that you just pick a book and read from beginning to end, like when you're learning English or some other spoken language or something else. So it's not one of those studies where you have to purchase a textbook and blow through it from page 1, introduction, chapters, glossary, all of them from beginning to end. It doesn't work like that in this industry. My own reservation is that programming books should be used for references. So you get a book, you look at particular key factors, key points that you're probably learning at that particular point. So I could buy Eloquent JavaScript and I'm working on a project and I am a bit confused about promises, what they mean, async, await. I go to this particular part of the book, blow through it to have a better understanding. Now, what is the best way to learn? I've said that using books is not really cool, but what is the best? For me, like I said again, I'm going to say it again. This is my own reservation. This is what I think. Someone else will say something different. For me, the best way to learn programming is through tutorials and reading documentations. The reason why tutorials are the best way is because not only do you get to see someone create something, you get to see the thinking process, the thought process, how they approach key parts of the application, where they start, how they structure it before they start, how they go about fixing bugs. And this is more important than whatever theoretical knowledge you pick up from a book. Like I said again, books are good, but only for reference purposes. Documentations also are awesome, simply because with documentations, you're understanding or building up the skill of being able to go to a particular resource that is in written form, because in the industry, in most cases, all you're going to be reading is documentation. No one puts videos about this or that for you to be able to rush to. So documentations are kind of like similar to the books, except with documentation, it focuses on a particular thing. So you're not going to go get a book on React. There's no point to do that, but you could go and check out the React documentation. So that being said, guys, if you're thinking of getting a book for reference purposes, of course, you can check the description of this video to see the books that I've collected and pretty much arranged. So those links are going to open up to an image on Google search. I chose not to put Amazon links out there, just not to mislead anyone into thinking that I'm making money from this. So that's it for today, guys. Hope to see you next week. Thank you for watching.